Hi everyone, today we are going to learn how to make a single crochet. Let's quickly recap what we have learned till now. Once we are done with our desired chain stitch, let's start with a single crochet. Insert a hook in the second chain stitch from the hook. Yarn over and pull through same chain stitch. Now you can see you have two loops on the top of your hook. Again, yarn over and pull through both of the loops. Here's how you complete a single crochet. Repeat this process until you get your desired number of single crochet. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more easy tricks.